In this guide, I'm going to show you how to summon a champion from Fragments in Raid Shadow Legend. Now, starting off in the Bastion or the main menu section, you essentially just need to go over to this portal over on the left-hand side, and you need to go ahead and look for the Fragment Summon tab, just like so, and you need to find the champion that you want to summon in this list right here. Now, this list is pretty long, so scroll through here until you find it. Let's say it's Chromax, right? When you go ahead and just select Chromax, it's going to go ahead and pop up with a little summon option right here. If you have the materials, you simply just have to hit summon, and most of the times if you don't have all the fragments and you hit summon, it's going to show you exactly what you could do to start getting that, and you could also hit this info icon to see all the materials. Like for example, any of these other guys, if I select this little info icon, it could tell me where I can actually get these fragments. It looks like the majority of them right now are in the Doom Tower, but the process really is as simple as that. Just make sure before you do summon that you do have an open champion slot. If your collection is full, free up space or purchase more slots first. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.